Good afternoon, everybody. It is Friday, June 26th. This is 2 days in a row. You saw me yesterday telling you the news about having to wear face masks. And today I'm coming back to you to talk a little bit more about that particular subject because we've had some problems specifically on the pool deck and in the pickleball area. As you know, at this point, if you do come to the pool deck, most of the time we have security guards there to enforce the policy of how many people can be on the pool deck, because obviously the staff can't do it 24/7. We'd never get our work done. This morning we came in and we had quite a few emails and quite a few phone calls from residents that were concerned for their safety because they went to the pool between the hours of 2 and 4 yesterday, and there were in excess of 25 people on the pool deck. We have since spoken to the security personnel. They were under strict orders to make sure that everybody left the pool deck once their hour was up. That obviously did not happen, and we have to re-emphasize this isn't something that we're doing randomly. This is something that is a Palm Beach County ordinance. It does apply to community pools and all of these semi-private spaces like the pickleball courts and things like that. We can't have anybody stay past the hour that's up. We were trying for a little while to let people stay if we had excess capacity, but unfortunately at this point we have to now enforce that everybody must leave when their hour's up. So if you come at 12:15, your hour is still up at 1 o'clock, you have to leave, even though you were only there 45 minutes. And while we were trying to be accommodating to people to let them to stay longer, we just can't do that at this point. So starting effective immediately, if your time is up, you have to go. You cannot sign up for the hour afterwards. You absolutely must leave the pool deck. If people don't abide by this, unfortunately, then we're going to close the pool altogether because we don't have any alternative. This is a very serious health scare and people are concerned. It's not one or two residents that have called, it's quite a few. On the same subject, this morning there was a gathering. I'm not sure if it was for a pickleball clinic or whatever. The reason was people were just there watching pickleball, but it was noticed that a number of these people did not have their masks on. You can't just carry the mask, you have to wear the mask. If we see that people are not abiding by the rules, this is a serious health consideration, we will shut down the pickleball courts. So it's kind of up to the people that are on the pool decks and the pickleball area and the tennis area to self-police each other. I know it's uncomfortable, but at the end of the day, what's at risk is actually closing the amenities again. There's a huge spike in cases in Palm Beach County yesterday. The call that we had regarding the Florida Department of Health and the World Health Organization indicated that that is going to continue to rise all the way through September. So this isn't going away. We just ask that you be mindful of the rules and try not to give the employees a hard time. They don't make the rules. It's actually for everybody's safety and well-being. So hopefully we don't have to talk about this again. I do appreciate your cooperation. Have a wonderful weekend.